Good morning, everybody. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of the iPad. I'm a big fan of the iPad Pro, and as you guys know, it has replaced my MacBook. So sometimes, the iPad Pro, the 10.5 inch that I have, it's sometimes too small, and sometimes I just wish I had a bigger size because I do everything on it. And sometimes for multitasking, I'll get into that later on the video. So yeah, today's video is basically going to be a vlog. It's going to be an Apple Store vlog. So yeah. Before we actually go to the Apple Store, we have to go ahead and go walk Apple. So, Apple, you want to go on the walk? Let's go. Hey Siri, turn off the lights. Now we're ready. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so do you guys see this as well? Okay, cool. Alright guys, so they don't let dogs go in the park anymore, and they literally, the reason is because dogs make a lot of noise. And what the heck? I mean, literally, did you hear that construction work? Doesn't really make sense why, I don't know, I just find it unfair. And I always walk my dog inside here, so it's just... It's a sunny day today, by the way. It's really sunny. Look at it. By the way, guys, today I'll be getting the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, of course, gold, Wi-Fi. It's gonna be good. I'm just really excited for this iPad Pro. Honestly, I've never had this big of a device. I mean, the iPad is huge. Look at it. Look at that stick. It's bigger than her whole body. By the way, I finished school. I finished my second year of college, my second year of graphic design. It's weird that I'm in summer now. I'm on my summer break and I have so much free time. It's crazy. I mean, I usually stressed out so much because, you know, I had to do college, I had to do classes, I had to do a daily upload. But now I simply have to do daily uploads and, of course, do a bunch of business stuff. But it's awesome to have a break from school, and you know, I'm also considering a podcast. Now about the podcast. A lot of you guys are asking me, am I opening a podcast? When is the podcast launching? And to be honest, I just don't know if I'm gonna do it. I want to. I mean, I have a lot of free time in the summer, but then after the summer comes, I want to keep it, you know, I want to keep uploading podcasts and stuff, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it when school comes. So I can do it now, I can do it in the summer, but you know, I just want to continue it. I just don't want to stop it after the summer. So maybe it's going to be like one podcast every 2 weeks. I don't know, but I want to do it. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of a podcast. An all Apple podcast where we just talk about Apple for like 30 minutes and so. Let me know. So a couple of hours have passed since the last time I actually filmed. I've been working on a project that I can't really share with you guys yet. I'm honestly so excited to share it with you. So anyways, now's the time to go to get the new iPad Pro. Siri, take me to the street.
Okay, you may now open your door.
Thank you. Well, that worked out beautifully. I'll also be getting an iPad Pro Smart Keyboard, by the way. The 12.9 inch, of course. Because of course I don't have one. Oh geez, that's my train. And we have arrived here where the Apple Store Grecia. Before we actually go inside of the Apple Store to pick up the iPad Pro, I want to go here in a store that have Blu-rays because I want to buy the Blu-ray from Coco from Pixar, and it's always like 20 bucks. But in this store there's always sales, so I literally come here every week to check if there's if the Blu-ray is actually in discount. I don't want to pay more than 20 bucks. So let's see if it's like 10. Let's see if there's a sale. Let's see what's going on in here. And here it is, guys. And no, it's 20 bucks. It's not on sale. I'm just waiting because all Blu-rays go on sale, so hopefully one day it will be on sale. By the way, if you guys haven't checked out Coco, the actual movie, if you guys haven't actually watched it, watch it. It's good stuff. So this is a cool poster. By the way, I also want to get vinyls for decoration for the room. Wouldn't it be cool to have a wall full of vinyls? I don't know, I'm thinking about it, but look, they're so expensive, so. Anyways, enough thinking about shopping. Even though the vinyl idea, I just think it's cool. I might do it next year or something, cover a whole wall full of vinyls. I just think that's such a cool idea. So we're 1 minute away from the Apple Store. Hopefully the iPad Pro is actually in stock. I didn't actually order it for pickup or anything. I'm just going all in for luck. So let's see if I have luck. If not, we're going back home and this vlog will be pointless. This thing is really big, but I guess this is what I want. I just can't believe how big this thing is. Just look at it. By the way, I talked to the guy and I think it's in stock. He's just checking if it is, so hopefully I'll have an iPad Pro in a matter of minutes. Alright, so I got it. I got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. That guy was super nice. Seriously. I showed him my channel, so now he's probably going to be watching this, so you know who you are. You're awesome. So it's currently 2 o'clock. I'm currently hungry. I have my iPad Pro in my backpack. I'm going to unbox it once I go home. But now, 2 o'clock, I'm hungry. Let's find somewhere to eat. Alright, so what I'm about to show you now is a market that is full of food, full of restaurants, full of pop-ups. You guys are going to love it. There's seafood, there's fruit, there's everything you want. Here, let me show you. Alright, so it's called La Bucaria. If you guys are ever in Barcelona, definitely come. Look, these are €1 juices. Wait, I'm actually in the mood for one. Gracias. See, so there's fruit over there, some weird stuff over here, seafood over here. Jeez, look at this egg. Jeez. To be honest, I was gonna go eat there, but there usually isn't this many people. It was literally packed and I was just, no. So up here is the NBA Cafe. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant that I've been one time. It's American food, so I guess I'm going in here. I'm in the mood for American food. So I don't really know what to order. There's just so much stuff. I hate menus that just have big menus. There's so much stuff to choose from. Look at this, buffalo wings. Jeez, well that was really good, but it was so spicy, so spicy. All right, unboxing time. Hey buddy, I got a 12.9 inch iPad Apple. All right, well Apple is ready. Are you ready to unbox it? So we have two things to unbox. We have the smart keyboard and the iPad Pro. This thing is so big. Look, Apple, it's the keyboard. You don't care? Okay, we get designed by Apple in California. Of course, we got some paperwork, warranty information. I was going to do a separate video, really fancy with fancy lighting and stuff, a fancy unboxing, but I just felt like I should have just uploaded the unboxing in the vlog. Like this, I didn't, have to make you click on another video just to watch the unboxing. So yeah, here is the keyboard. Once again, this case is huge. I I can't wait to have the iPad Pro in my hands. All right, it's time for the iPad Pro now. Once again, I got the 64 gig, 12.9 inch iPad in gold. Apple, you better be excited for this. Apple, hey, she doesn't care about my iPad. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this thing is so big. Apple, look at this. It's huge. You like it? It's really big. All right, the magical moment. All right, let's go ahead and do it together. Let's power it on. Shabam! Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this vlog. That's pretty much it. This thing is so big. That's pretty much it for this video. I will be making a video, a complete video, telling you guys why exactly I'm switching to the 12.9 inch. Probably not going to sell my 10.5 inch iPad yet. I'm probably going to do a couple comparison video and stuff, and then I'm going to sell it. Well, hold on, before I actually end the video, check this out. Set up as new iPad. That's so cool. So I can just simply do it like that, and all the information will travel. Look at that. That's so cool. So I simply have to scan the... There you go. So now all this stuff is transferring. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.